Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a unbagging of the MISS-tery bags. So I've done 2 videos like this before, but both of them have been unbagging it with my sister, and we kind of compare and contrast what's similar in both bags, what's different, do we recommend, and those have been a lot of fun. So I'm going to have them linked down below. However, this one I just wanted to go solo. Why not? So I went ahead and purchased another one. So this is going to be my third bagging of these. So if you want to see what I got in my mystery bag, how much it was, all the information, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And the video's going to start right now. So if you're wondering about today's makeup look, I just filmed a get ready with me on TikTok and Instagram, basically using some new Family Dollar makeup that I found from LA Colors. So that's pretty much what's going on there. And also just wanted to share with you guys the nail polish that I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Pretty Woman nail polish, and it's super cute. It's like a neon purple kind of moment I found at Five Below. So it's really cute, super affordable. Yeah. All right, so let's just get into it. You get your mystery bag, comes in a see-through kind of moment. Super cute color. However, I don't like to know what's in there until I open it. So I'm kind of like not loving that. And they've been doing that this whole time, so hopefully they kind of change that up in the future. Maybe give us like a same color bag, just like opaque, I don't know, but I just don't like that it comes in a see-through moment because it kind of takes away from the mystery. Well, I'm just gonna pick random stuff. I'm not even gonna look, I'm just gonna pick it out. So first thing that I see here is just color lipstick. So this one here is in the shade Matte Peach, and it looks like that. It does have like this chrome kind of packaging. It does have a see-through cap, and it looks like an interesting shade. It looks like it already kind of melted onto the cap, or something happened there, and yeah, weird. I don't know how that would have happened, but it is sealed, so it's not open, and I'm not gonna swatch it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, to be honest, but let's see what else is in this bag. So we got a hair product. This is the Melanie flexible hairband. It says shape to suit your style. So it looks interesting. It's a really pretty color. I haven't really been into like headbands. I'm wearing one from SHEGLAM now, and yeah, so this looks interesting. I never really used a flexible hairband, so it's definitely something I'm gonna keep. And it looks like that. Again, the color is really nice, and I guess you just kind of shape it to your preferred kind of moment. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. It looks really cute. Next, why do they keep throwing these in here? So in the last unboxing or unbagging, we had, my sister actually got a gray one, and I kept it. I don't really use these, so kind of like whatever. I really like the color though. So this is their fabric marker. So actually in that video I said it was like a sketch marker, but it turns out it's a fabric marker. A lot of people went ahead and told me in the comments, thank you so much. But this is to, I guess, like decorate your fabrics, or if you want to decorate those little tote bags that they sell on their website. That's basically what these are. And I was more excited when I thought it was like a sketch marker, to be honest. But it does come with this side here, and it does come like with an angled kind of moment, and then we have the other side, which is more of a detail kind of moment. So these are interesting. I really like the color though. This is in 81 Deep Violet. So again, it's just one of their fabric markers. I'm gonna keep it. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and start my keep and like giveaway pile next to me. So we'll see how much I'm actually keeping from this mystery bag versus what I'm tossing or what I'm giving away. Next thing in the bag was the Dream Plus earrings. So these look interesting. Let me give you guys an up close look. So a lot of times in their mystery bags, we get a lot of like cheapy kind of jewelry. It just is what it is, because I purchase a lot of SHEGLAM jewelry, so I can tell when something is good versus very cheap, and these actually look really nice. So they look like good quality earrings. Okay, they feel cheapy, but they look really interesting. It's not something that I would have purchased myself. I like picked out myself, but there's a close-up look at those. They look really unique, right? So it comes with like a little ball in the middle, and then it's kind of like a piercing. You see how it's like attached? So that's interesting, very different. Again, not something that I would have picked out myself, but I think these are gonna be interesting. Of course, I'm gonna wear them for a video or something just to try them out, but interesting. Okay. These are something I would keep. Next thing we have in here is from Clean Color, and this is their Master Strokes Long Wear Matte Lipstick, and this is a very vibrant red. So this one here is in the shade, Festive Tango, and the name really does go with the color. This is so bright and vibrant. interesting. It was really creamy as well. These remind me of those other markers that they have, but this one is more pigmented. It's not as glossy as the other ones. I can tell like that the product is like kind of moving on the inside, is making some noise, but look at that color. Again, this one here is in Festive Tango. Definitely something I'm keeping, and I definitely have to try it out for a video. Looks stunning. Not what I expected. Like, I honestly, when I looked at it right now, I was like, oh, whatever. But once I like swatched it, okay, girl, like, it did not come to play. Looks really nice. I just wish, like, you know, it's moving around in there, but okay, girl. All right, reaching in, we got a Superstar accessory bracelet. So, oh, this actually looks really pretty. It has a little picture of the Virgin Mary on it. So there's a look at that. Look at that bracelet. Isn't that so cute? It has like gold kind of moments. Again, it has like a little saint on it. It's super cute. I really like all the different kind of beads that they chose for it. This is definitely something I would wear. And then it has like the warning moments on the back, like it's a choking hazard, blah, blah, blah. This product can expose you to chemicals. What? But anyway, so this is really cute. So definitely gonna keep, and I'm definitely gonna wear it, girl. I'm actually gonna open it now. Again, look at how stunning. This is so cute. All right, going back in to the bag. We have this, and I actually never tried these. So this is the H2O anti-aging face mask. Again, like this purple kind of theme, I'm loving, especially with my nails. But this is so cute. It has it says hyperallergenic and paraben free. And again, there's just a close-up look at that. I've actually never really seen this on the website, or I just kind of skimmed through it. So it is an anti-aging face mask. It says it comes with marine complex formula that reduces the visible signs of aging and gives it elasticity to the skin. All right, so you basically keep it on for 20 to 30 minutes and kind of like chill, whatever, watch TV, and then you're young again. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out and see. So I'm definitely keeping this. Super exciting. Next thing in the bag, they always throw in like 3-4 lipsticks in these bags. Why? I don't know. But we got another of these lipsticks from JK or Just Color, and this one here is in the shade Matte Orange. Okay, and then the last one was in Matte Peach. So I guess nobody's buying these orangey kind of tones, because why else would they throw 2 of them in the same bag and similar kind of colors? So next we have is a single shadow, and this is the Amuse Smoky Eyes kind of moment. It's already looking a little beat up. Weird, but this is like a blue shade. This one here is in the shade Navy Girl. Okay, looking at the color, it's not horrible. It looks cute. It is a matte eyeshadow. Oh, okay, it's pigmented. All right, I can definitely work with that. It looks really cute. Am I gonna reach for it all the time? No. Is this a shade that I would have purchased myself? No, but yeah, I like the color. I just don't like how it looks like it's been through it already. I'm just gonna clean that a bit. Yeah, packaging is not too cute, but the color is actually really nice. So okay, we have one more product. Ooh, this looks really nice. I just went ahead and kind of shook it up a bit. This is the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish. I love LA Colors nail polishes. They're amazing. This color is stunning. This one here is in the shade Spring Frost. And look at that shade. It just looks so beautiful. It is like this greeny kind of moment. I don't really have anything like this in my collection. I tend to buy a lot of like teal shades, and if I do go green, I buy like dark forest green shades, but I never really buy these types of colors. So yeah, I'm super excited about this, and I'm definitely going to use this. So we're just going to go ahead and recap. We got 3 lip colors. 2 of them I'm not going to be using, and 1 of them I am. The Just Color ones I'm kind of like whatever about, but this one for sure I'm keeping, and this is from Clean Color. So yeah, we have Just Color and Clean Color. This one just looked more promising, so not keeping 1. I'm definitely keeping the nail polish. We have the earrings, which I'm super excited about. We have the head wrap or whatever, so it looks really cute. This situation I'm not too excited about, but I'm keeping it. We have the single shadow, which of course I'm keeping. I really like the color. We have the bracelet. I think it's so adorable. And then lastly, we have the face mask. So we did get 10 products in this whole bag, and I'm going to keep 8 out of the 10. So I think this is a really good mystery bag. Let me know if you've bought these before, your thoughts on them. This one's actually turned out to be pretty good. Okay, I'm really surprised, and I really like everything that came in here. Would I have picked it out myself? No, but I'm like pleasantly surprised by what came in this mystery bag. So let me know down below, have you ever purchased the mystery bags from SHEGLAM? They retail for $5. I think, you know, it's cool. $5 for 10 products I think is really exciting, especially if you've never been on SHEGLAM, just to kind of see what they're about. I think it's interesting if you want to gift it to someone for, like, I don't know, not like Christmas or anything like that, but just like it's a fun kind of moment. I think it's cute. And yeah, so I think this is really interesting. I'm actually pleasantly surprised they added a bunch of cute stuff. So yeah, so we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Instagram and TikTok on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from jokes on a high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.